Hi, I'm Jason Bush with Addison Smith. If you're like most homeowners, you probably don't think much about your HVAC or plumbing until something goes wrong.
When your AC quits in July or your furnace stops on the coldest night of the year, you need more than a fix. You need someone you can trust.
That trust is what Addison Smith has been built on since 1954. We've proudly served West Georgia for 7 decades. People ask what makes us different. It's simple. We believe our job isn't to sell you something. Our job is to solve your problem. We bring the same engineering precision used in multi-million dollar commercial projects directly to your family's home. When we arrive, we listen first. We perform a complete diagnostic to understand why something broke, not just what's broken. We invest heavily in training. Our NATE certified technicians are experts in the latest technology, but we hire them for their character first. Heating, cooling, and plumbing often work together. Having one trusted company for all three makes life easier for you. One call, one trusted relationship. At the end of the day, people remember how they were treated. Were we honest, respectful? Did we leave your home better than we found it? If you've never worked with us, we'd love the opportunity to earn your business. I'm Jason Bush. Thank you for getting to know us. We look forward to serving you.